Hello everyone, my name is Sandy Joshi and welcome back to the YouTube channel. I know that CFA preparation is tough, not because it's impossible, but because it's so huge. And while you have already paid for your CFA examination, there's no need to pay thousands again to the prep provider. Honestly speaking, I feel there's good quality content available on YouTube which you can really leverage. I have made an Excel sheet which you can find in the description below. But in this video, I don't just want to share that Excel sheet with you, but I want to share what is in that Excel sheet which you should be using and which teachers I like and what was my personal experience. So think of this YouTube video as a friend telling you what I have learned in this journey and what can be really useful for you. So let's start. So the structure of the Excel sheet is as that initially I've attached uh, crash courses and revision lectures, which really covers all the 10 topics, all the 10 chapters in the CFM. And after that, if you find yourself stuck in a particular topic, you can I've really attached all the YouTube videos available for each particular chapter for each particular subject. So let's start with Fintry. Honestly speaking, Sir Utkarsh Jain is one of my favorite. His calm nature and the way he really explains, I personally feel that I don't need to mug up things, but I can really understand concepts. In the Excel sheet, you can find 5 crash courses which he developed for all the 10 subjects, which I feel that is the best. Because after going through that crash courses, I started understanding the concepts and I understood like, okay, even for derivatives, you don't need to mug up things. You can really understand the concepts and solve the numericals. So that is my first recommendation. And following that, you'll find revision lectures for EDSAP. The teacher is CA Vikas Vora. The same, like they are also revision lectures, but the the only difference between both the Fintry and EDSAP is the way they explain. So I have made sure that I can provide you guys with 2 different options and then you can decide which you really like. But honestly speaking, Utkarsh Jain was my favorite. But there were a few topics, especially for equity and fixed income, which I really liked the EDSAP revision lectures. The reason why the crash course and the revision lectures are on the top in the Excel sheet is because all the topics and subjects in CFA are related to each other so much that you do them together, and it's always a better way to learn the concepts rather than doing them one by one. Now this crash courses and all of these long videos are good, but I understand that there can be a few topics where you feel yourself very stuck, and for that reason I have made this Excel sheet in which you can find topic by topic videos by different prep providers. There are instances where I've given you 2 different options, so you can decide which prep provider you really like. And just my personal recommendation is that for this kind of topic by topic videos, endless prep is the best. Now let's talk about the special cases, derivatives and ethics. And there is a reason why I've only attached crash courses in the Excel sheet, because it has been done purposely. Derivatives is such a complex subject in general that it would be very helpful for you that if you just learn that subject by one prep provider, and all of the topics like from starting from options, the pricing and all of those things are so attached to each other that if you can do that maybe on a weekend in a one go, it would be really easy for you to understand the concepts, and you don't need to mug up the formulas if you really watch these crash courses. I have given you 3 different options, so you can have this choice which prep provider you really like. And for ethics, I think a lot of people really avoid it and they just go and read it from the books, but the crash courses attached in the Excel sheets are really good, and if you do them, that will be really a game changer for you on your exam day. And in the end, I want to talk about alternative investment. I know it's a very easy subject, but you will see a bunch of different videos in the Excel sheet. But let me be very direct. Just go on YouTube and search alternate investment for CFA Level 1 by Ashwini Bajaj, and that's it. You don't need to go and watch all the different videos, but if you find yourself stuck, then do use them. but my recommendation is that playlist by Ashwini Bajaj is the best. So yeah, that's my CFA survival kit, and you can find the Excel sheet in the description. And the goal of the video was not to just give you the Excel sheet where I've just dumped the links, but to tell you what really worked for me, what I really liked. And if you really like this video, do share with your CFA buddies, help them, and do comment which is your favorite prep provider. And thank you for watching.